Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint and reach your goal. Often the word manager is bandied about without a clear understanding of its meaning. What is a manager accountable for and what authority are they entrusted with to execute their work? A manager has 24-hour accountability for doing their best to effectively use the human, material, financial and information resources they have at their disposal. The manager is accountable for the work of their subordinates, and thus they have the right to veto those appointments. We often ignore this essential aspect of a manager's accountability, but it's only logical that if we're to hold a manager accountable for a subordinate's work, then they have the right to determine who's on their team. The manager is accountable for using judgment and discretion to get the optimum short, medium, and long-term results from their assigned functional area, such as production department, geographic region, or customer category. In addition, a manager is accountable for the results of the work and the working behavior of their subordinates. They therefore need the authority to decide on the types of work assigned to their subordinates. They conduct the personal effectiveness appraisal of the team and determine compensation levels within a pay range. A manager has the authority to decide on the removal of a person from a role after applying due process. In summary, to accomplish consistent results, the effective manager must maintain a team of subordinates capable of doing their mandated work by applying the aforementioned elements of managerial leadership. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.